Hello, little friends! Welcome to Little Jugnoo. Today, we are going to learn farm animals and animal sounds. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a cow. C-O-W. Cow. The cow says, moo. Can you say cow? Great job! Look, it's a pig. P-I-G. Pig. The pig says, oink, oink. Can you say pig? Awesome! Look, it's a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The horse says, neigh. Can you say horse? Fantastic! Look, it's a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. The chicken says, cluck, cluck. Can you say chicken? Wonderful! Look, it's a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. The sheep says, baa. Can you say sheep? Amazing! Let's play a game. Can you guess the animal? Listen carefully. Who says moo? 3, 2, 1. It's a horse! Great job! Who says oink, oink? 3, 2, 1. It's a pig! Awesome! Look, it's a duck! D-U-C-K. Duck. The duck says, quack, quack. Can you say duck? Great job! Look, it's a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The goat says, maa. Can you say goat? Look, it's a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. The donkey says, hee haw. Can you say donkey? Amazing! Wonderful! Let's review our farm animals. Cow, pig, horse, chicken, sheep, duck, goat, donkey. You are doing great! Wow, you learned so many farm animals today. Great job, little friends! Which animal was your favorite? Was it the cow, the pig, the horse, or the duck? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Jugnoo and share this video with your friends. See you in the next learning adventure. Bye-bye!